What y'all think about my new reading glasses? Oh, I'm gonna start wearing these out.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, know, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go through. Wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers. Oh, that's good. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia, Renee. Welcome to my channel. So as you just saw, I'm just getting back in from dinner. I didn't vlog too much in dinner because I just wanted to be present in the moment with my sister and my niece. Haven't seen them in like a couple weeks and I missed them. So we were in our moment talking. The food was so good. We went to a place called Stanford Kitchen. Everything was so freaking good. But I just got back in and I want to show y'all some packages that I just got in the mail. My first time wearing the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I put these two shades on, 338 and 322. I did touch up my makeup a little bit. I'm so freaking oily. I kind of stick to the makeup that I know is going to help with my oily skin because I feel like my pores are crazy looking. But anyway, Necessaire. So Necessaire sent me some products. Got two packages from them. Care for your body. Necessaire, the body lotion, and the fragrance eucalyptus. This is a limited edition. If you want to purchase any Necessaire products, you can use my discount code. It'll be down below and it'll be right here on the screen. Save you a couple coins. But this smells so good. I have the body gel and the body scrub and the fragrance eucalyptus. It smells so freaking good. Smells the same. It smells real earthy. Can't wait to try this. And then got another package from them. Shampoo and their conditioner. Shampoos that the benefits are cleanse, nourish, and purify. The texture of the shampoo is a gel. The fragrance is none. It's fragrance free. pH 5.5-6.5. So this is the shampoo. It's a multivitamin shampoo for your scalp, and it's fragrance free, so I guess ain't no point in even trying to smell it. And the conditioner, it says benefits: it conditions, nourishes, and hydrates. Texture of it, it's a soft cream, fragrance free, and the pH is 4.0-5.0. Shampoo, the conditioner, both are fragrance free, and their body lotion and the fragrance eucalyptus. Thanks Necessaire for providing me with these products. I can't wait to try them because as y'all already know, if you saw my self-care video when I use their products, I really do love it when I use their body products. So let's move on to the next brand. Thank you TOUCHLAND for providing me with your hand sanitizers. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. I like them because how sleek they are, so it fits really great in my bag instead of it being like a big bulky hand sanitizer. It's nice, small, and it slides right in. I don't have to worry about if I push it in my bag, like something pushes against it and it's not going to spill out because it's just sturdy. You have to press the top for it to sprout out. Got the scent Rain Water, and this one is Aloe You. Both of these smell really good. I don't like for my hand sanitizers to be too strong of a scent because I'm more than likely I'll have perfume on and lotion and everything. So I didn't want my hand sanitizers to smell too fruity. So these smell really earthy and smell really good. It's a nice mist. Yeah, it smells clean. It does smell like fresh rain. And then the aloe. The aloe more so smells like alcohol. So I have a 10% off discount code. I'll leave at the bottom of the screen and down in the description box if you want to purchase any TOUCHLAND products and you want to save a coin. Go ahead and use my code if you like. Next product is Saturday Skin. I'm going to do a review on their products after I use them. I just got it in the mail. I haven't used it, so I'm just going to show you real quick what they are. I have like moisturizer, under eye brightening cream, a toner, a couple things. I'm not going to take them out the box too much because like I said, I'm going to do a full video using the products and telling you how I like them. So look out for a full video of the product review. I think I'm going to do another self-care video and incorporate these products. But I like to try something a couple times, try the products before I really give my opinion on them. Also, it came with this. What is this? I want to say it's like a little massager for your face. I'm not 100% sure. I think that's what it is. Also, I have some products from, it says SEMAINE. Again, I'm going to do another review on this because I just got this in the mail, so I don't want to give you too many details about this product until I try and see if I really like it. But what I read, I'm quite sure I will. So it says plant power wellness made for you. Feel good on your cycle. If you have been following me for a while, then you probably already know about my fibroid surgery story and how my progress since having fibroid removal surgery, myomectomy, and how terrible my cycles were, and still are. So I came across this brand, and they have some supplements supposed to help while you're on your cycle to combat the really bad pains. So, excuse me, this one is PMS and period support capsules. It's plant-based wellness for bloating, cramps, and mood. It's vegan. And this one, the daily inner balance and outer glow. It's plant-based wellness, healthy hormones, smooth skin, stable mood, fewer cravings. Yeah, I need all that, okay? So I'll be doing another product review on these products to let you know how I feel about them, if it really did help me. And I do have a discount code, so if you want to check it out, discount code will be right here and also down in the description box. So I went to the eye doctor like 2 weeks ago. I didn't bring y'all with me because I went straight after work and I didn't have my camera, so my bad, y'all. But I'm going to show y'all what I got. Here's my little bag from the eye doctor. So, if you don't know, I wear contacts and glasses. So, I just got another refill of my contacts. This is the brand that I use. Oh, shit. It's pretty cool. I used to use a different brand. I can't even remember the name of it because they discontinued it. And I used to love that brand so much. Them contacts are so daggone durable and last through the test of time. Yeah, there was some good contacts. These are pretty good, but I just miss my old brand. But so I just got, my eyes are 2 different strengths. So 2 packs for my right eye and 2 packs for my left eye. That's why it says right on here, because I need 2 different strengths for my eye. So this should last me for a year. It will last me for a year, probably longer, for all of these. I think you're supposed to change them weekly. I can't even remember. I'm so not trifling, but whenever they start to irritate me, that's when I take them out. So probably like a week or 2 week mark, I take it out. Whatever. I used to try to write it in my calendar, remember to change them, but I just change them when my eye says ready to be changed. So I got some new glasses. Dang, I don't feel like going downstairs. So I'm just gonna show you my old glasses, and I got makeup on. So my old glasses, the frames were wire, and the wire was starting to irritate my skin, which I super sensitive skin. So I had like a patch that was like a dry patch, and then it turned to like a dark mark because the wire was really irritating my skin. So the lady behind the counter, she helped me pick out some glasses. She was like, what are you looking for? I was just letting her know I need some plastic frame glasses because of my irritation from the wire glasses. So I let her just pick out whatever glasses she felt like picking out. And I was trying a couple on, and I like a pair. I said, oh, they're nice. I like them. So she brought them up. And the price she came up with, I was like,
did the insurance take off anything?
She was like, yeah, it took off a couple dollars. But you know you got Tom Ford glasses. No, I didn't know that. You picked them out. I didn't even pay it no attention. Well, I already liked them. I didn't feel like picking another brand. And I was like, whatever. If I like it, I just pay the extra cost. Because, girl, don't, I wasn't intending on buying no Tom Ford glasses. But anyway, so it came in this case. They're so cute, so I just got them anyway. I can't remember what the extra price is. I know for the glasses and the contacts, with whatever my little insurance took off, I paid like $5.50 out of pocket. And I want to say my insurance only paid $150 for the glasses. Everything in life is freaking expensive. These are the glasses, but in the box, they gave me an extra little cloth to clean the glasses. Then it came with authenticity papers. Okay. I know these are not everybody's style, but they were just so cute to me. And wait till I open them up. I'm gonna tell you, you wouldn't know they was Tom Ford because it don't say Tom Ford on them. So I did not know that. But anyway, then it comes with the Tom Ford cloth. I think it's so cute. It's not everybody's style, but it's so freaking cute. Isn't it cute? So the only way you really can tell that it's Tom Ford is it says Tom Ford really small right here. I don't even know if that's picking up on the camera. And then it's the T right here, which is fine because I don't need it to be real big and bold and Tom Ford across the glasses. So let me try them on. I do have my contacts in, so hopefully I'm not making myself blind by trying these on with the. Ooh, I am. This is like double vision. So these are my new glasses. Oh, I look cute. My glasses. I look cute with my glasses. This is my first time trying it on with makeup. Oh, I should have wore these out. Went to dinner. What y'all think about my new reading glasses? Oh, I'm gonna start wearing these out. Oh, I like them, y'all. They got so freaking cute. It's like a tinge of pink a little bit. It's not clear. It's like pinkish a little bit. Like a soft pink. I know they were not worth the daggone price I paid for them, but I think they were cute and I just didn't feel like looking around for something else. So I really do like my new glasses. And as you know, everything is so expensive. It's just a freaking label. I remember a couple years ago, I was watching a documentary, and I can't exactly remember what brand they were, but it was like a glasses company. And for example, they made glasses for Walmart and for, say, like Tom Ford. And they made it in the same warehouse, the same material, same everything. It's just that they would stamp some with Walmart labels, and they would stamp the other ones with like Tom Ford. So you just basically paying for the brand. So it's the same exact quality. Everything was the freaking same. So when I saw that years ago, I was like, I'm never buying no expensive glasses. And look at me now. Yeah, whatever. But I think that's it for tonight. So I can check back in with y'all tomorrow. What y'all think about my glasses? I think they're so freaking cute.
Baby, when you broke my
today is Saturday. It was a real chill day. Didn't do too much, but we did go grocery shopping. I'm just going to show you what I got from Trader Joe's because I don't go there too much. But we did our regular grocery shopping at Aldi's and Giants and nothing really different. So I didn't want to bore y'all and show y'all that. So let me show you what we got from Trader Joe's. That's pretty much it. I'm about to heat up my dinner I got yesterday when we went out to a restaurant. I really didn't eat too much because the appetizer and the dessert was what I ate most of. So it was so good too. So I'm going to eat my rotisserie chicken, red skin mashed potatoes, and some string beans. I'm going to heat that up and eat that for tonight. Oh, and then I got these. I used to eat these bars. They're really good, healthy. So I'm trying to get back on my healthy kick. It's the coconut chocolate raspberry, vanilla almond. That's my stove going off, so I'm about to put my dinner in the oven, and I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow.
She said she'd never turn on me.